Too hot.
Okay.
Too hot. Too hot.
It's official. Every room in my house is my least favorite room.
That's why I got the Della Home Multi-Zone Mini Split to cool off all the hot rooms in my house. I could hire an HVAC guy to install it, but...
Oh, a handyman.
I just did it myself. Della Home saves you money, lowers your power bill, and makes every room feel amazing, all from the palm of your hand. Doesn't matter how nice a room is, if it's too hot,
Nope.
it's too bad. You're not gonna use it. So go to DellaHome.com now to make your uncomfortable house perfect for your sensitive spouse.